Welcome to EnglishVerse, where every conversation helps you speak English. Hello, Chloe. It's so nice to see you again.
Hi, Olivia. It's great to see you too. How have you been?
I've been doing really well. Work has been busy, but I finally have some free time today.
I'm happy to hear that. I've been looking forward to meeting you all week.
Me too. It's been a long time since we had lunch together.
Yes, I think the last time was almost 2 months ago.
Time goes by so quickly.
It really does. Anyway, this restaurant looks beautiful from the outside.
I know. I found it online a few days ago. It has excellent reviews, and everyone says the food is amazing.
I love trying new restaurants. It's always exciting to discover new dishes.
Exactly. Shall we go inside?
Yes, let's go.
It looks like there are a few empty tables. We won't have to wait long. That's nice. Let's get a table for two. Perfect. Oh, this table by the window is available. I love it already. Me too. It's such a cozy place. I love the warm lighting and the beautiful decorations. And the music is so relaxing. It creates a wonderful atmosphere. We even have a lovely view of the park from here. The weather is beautiful today. The sunshine makes everything look so peaceful. It's a perfect day to eat outside. But I also like sitting near the window. Same here. I enjoy watching people while having lunch. Me too. Sometimes it's surprisingly entertaining. Here are the menus. Let's see what they have today. Before we decide on the food, I'd like something to drink. How about you? I'd love a glass of iced lemon water. That sounds refreshing. I'll have some sparkling water. Perfect. Now we can take our time looking through the menu. Wow, this menu has so many choices. I wasn't expecting such a big menu. They have pasta, burgers, salads, soups, seafood, grilled chicken, pizza, and even vegetarian meals. Everything sounds delicious. Do you usually decide quickly, or do you need a lot of time? I'm one of those people who reads every single item before making a decision. That's exactly what I do. Sometimes I already know what I want, but then I change my mind 3 or 4 times. I do the same thing. Choosing food is harder than people think, especially when everything sounds delicious. That's true. Our drinks are here now. Let's enjoy them while we decide. Good idea. Before we order, tell me something. How has work been lately? Things are going well. I've been meeting lots of new clients, and every day feels different. That must keep your work interesting. It really does. I never get bored. It's been busy but exciting for me too. My company started a new project last month, so everyone has been working hard. That sounds interesting. Are you enjoying it? Yes, it's challenging, but I'm learning many new skills every day. That's wonderful. Learning something new always makes work more enjoyable. I completely agree. I'm really glad we decided to meet today. Me too. Sometimes we get so busy that we forget to relax and spend time with our friends. Exactly. Good food and good conversation are the perfect combination. I couldn't agree more. Before we order, let's help everyone listening learn some useful English expressions. Great idea. Everyone, repeat after us. Table for 2. Do you have a reservation? Here's the menu. I'd like something to drink. Take your time. I'm ready to order. Excellent. Keep practicing these phrases every day and they'll become part of your everyday English. I think I'm finally ready to order. What about you? Almost. I'm just deciding between the creamy mushroom pasta and the grilled salmon. Both sound delicious. They really do. This is a difficult decision. If you can't decide, you can always come back and try the other dish another day. That's a great idea. I'll choose the grilled salmon today. Good choice. I'm going to order the grilled chicken with mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables. That sounds delicious. I also think we should share an appetizer. I agree. Let's get 1 bowl of tomato soup and 1 plate of garlic bread. Perfect. And let's have 2 glasses of fresh orange juice with our meal. Great choice. They said the food should be ready in about 15 minutes, so we have plenty of time to chat. I don't mind waiting. It gives us more time to catch up. Exactly. So tell me, have you been watching any good movies lately? Yes, last weekend I watched a romantic comedy. It was funny and heartwarming. I love romantic comedies. What's your favorite movie? I really enjoy adventure movies because they're exciting from beginning to end. I like adventure movies too, especially when they have beautiful scenery. Have you watched any interesting TV series recently? Yes, I've been watching a mystery series. Every episode ends with a surprise. That sounds exciting. I'll have to watch it. You definitely should. Besides watching movies, what do you usually do in your free time? I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and going for long walks in the park. That sounds peaceful. What about you? I love photography. Whenever I travel somewhere new, I take hundreds of pictures. Really? That's amazing. Photography helps me notice small details that other people often miss. That's a wonderful way to look at the world. Thank you. Do you post your photos online? Sometimes my friends always encourage me because they enjoy looking at my pictures. Maybe one day you could become a professional photographer. That would be a dream come true. I believe you can do it. Thanks, that means a lot. Look, our tomato soup, garlic bread, and orange juice have arrived. Everything looks delicious already. The soup smells wonderful. Let's try it. Wow, it's rich, creamy, and full of flavor. The garlic bread is perfectly crispy. I could eat this every day. Me too, but maybe not every day. You're right, too much garlic bread probably isn't a good idea. Everything is fine in moderation. That's true. By the way, are you planning any trips this year? Yes, I'm thinking about visiting Japan during the spring. That's one of my dream destinations too. I want to see the cherry blossoms and try authentic Japanese food. I'd love to visit Kyoto and Tokyo. I've heard they're both beautiful cities. Hopefully we'll both get the chance someday. I'm sure we will. While we're waiting for our main course, let's practice some useful English expressions. Great idea. Everyone, repeat after us. I'd like to order. Could we have? Excellent choice. We'll share this. It smells delicious. I'm looking forward to my meal. Fantastic. Keep practicing these expressions and you'll feel much more confident when ordering food at a restaurant. Our main courses are finally here. Wow, everything looks amazing. My grilled chicken looks perfectly cooked, and my grilled salmon smells delicious. Let's eat before it gets cold. Good idea. Wow, the chicken is so tender and juicy. My salmon is fresh and full of flavor. Would you like to try a piece of my chicken? Sure, thank you. Here you go. It's really delicious. Can I try a little of your salmon? Of course. Wow, it's cooked perfectly. I'm glad you like it. This restaurant definitely deserves its good reviews. I completely agree. By the way, do you enjoy cooking at home? Yes, I do. I usually cook dinner 5 or 6 days a week. That's impressive. What's your favorite dish to make? I love making creamy pasta, grilled fish, and vegetable soup. Those all sound delicious. What about you? I enjoy cooking simple meals like fried rice, chicken salad, and homemade sandwiches. Homemade food always tastes better, and it's usually healthier too. Exactly. Have you ever taken a cooking class? Yes, I did. I took one last summer. Really? How was it? It was so much fun. I learned how to make Italian pasta from scratch. That's amazing. I'd love to learn that someday. You should. Cooking is a useful life skill. I agree. It's relaxing too, especially when you're cooking for family or friends. That's true. Speaking of family, how are your parents? They're doing very well. I visited them last weekend. That's nice. Did you spend the whole weekend with them? Yes, we cooked together, watched movies, and played board games. That sounds like a perfect weekend. It really was. How about your family? Everyone is doing well. My younger sister recently started university. That's wonderful. What is she studying? She's studying architecture because she loves designing buildings. That's a fascinating subject. She has always been very creative. I'm sure she'll do well. I think so too. Family support is very important. Absolutely. They always encourage us to do our best. By the way, do you exercise regularly? Yes. I usually go to the gym 3 times a week. That's great. I prefer going for long walks in the evening. Walking is excellent exercise. It also helps me relax after a busy day. I enjoy morning yoga because it gives me energy. I've always wanted to try yoga. You definitely should. It's great for both your body and your mind. Thanks for the recommendation. So how's your meal now that you've eaten a little more? It's still absolutely wonderful. I think this might become my new favorite restaurant. Mine too. Everything we've tried has been delicious. We should definitely come back again soon. I completely agree. Before we continue, let's practice some useful English expressions. Great. Everyone, repeat after us. Enjoy your meal. It looks delicious. It tastes amazing. Would you like to try some? Homemade food. I love cooking. Family time. Stay healthy. Excellent. Practice these expressions every day and they'll become part of your natural English. That was one of the best meals I've had in a long time. I agree. Everything was fresh, flavorful, and beautifully presented. I couldn't agree more. The food, the atmosphere, and our conversation made this a perfect afternoon. It really did. I think it's time to ask for the bill. Yes, I don't think the total will be too expensive. It's a fair price for such a wonderful meal. I agree. Shall we split the bill? Of course. I'll pay my half, and I'd also like to leave a tip because the service was excellent. That's a great idea. They really made our visit enjoyable. I hope we can come back here again very soon. We definitely will. Maybe next month we can try their breakfast menu. That sounds like a wonderful idea. I've heard their pancakes are amazing. Then it's a plan. Well, that was a perfect afternoon. It really was. Good food always tastes even better with good company. I couldn't agree more. Before we leave, do you have any plans for this weekend? I'm thinking about visiting a bookstore and buying a new novel. That sounds relaxing. What about you? I'm planning to spend some time with my family. We might go to the beach if the weather is nice. I hope you have a wonderful time. Thank you. I hope you enjoy your weekend too. Thanks. You know, we should make time for each other more often. Absolutely. Life gets busy, but friendships are important. I completely agree. Let's meet again next Saturday.